Mindfulness of Sound. This practice will guide you towards noticing the sounds you can hear around you and paying attention to them in a mindful way. And then, when your mind becomes distracted, and it will, noticing this, and then gently bringing your focus of attention back to the sounds you can hear. So start by finding somewhere comfortable to sit, and then move your body into a posture that is relaxed, alert, and confident. For many of us, this will be with our feet flat on the floor, about a shoulder's width apart, with our back away from the back of the chair so that we're upright and self-supporting. Our shoulders will be back so that our chest is out and open, and our heads are up with the crown pointing to the ceiling and our chin just slightly tucked in. Our hands will be at rest in our laps or resting on our legs. And now allow your eyes to close if it feels comfortable. Otherwise, simply lower your gaze and soften your focus. Gently bring your attention to the sounds you can hear around you. This might include awareness of sounds in the room and also sounds outside, sounds close by, and those that might be far away. There's no need to strain to focus your hearing or to reach out or make any effort. Rather, just allow the sounds to come to you. You might notice the direction from which the sounds come. You might notice their qualities, their pitch and volume. At some stage, your mind will become distracted, perhaps by other sensations or thoughts, maybe judgments about the exercise or difficulties focusing your mind. Perhaps the distraction might be memories or ideas. So when your mind is distracted, just notice, and in a kind and caring way, bring your awareness back to the sounds you can hear around you in this moment once again. You might see what it's like to hold your awareness on just one of the sounds you can hear, not forcing your mind away from any of the other sounds, rather just gently holding and noticing one particular sound. Holding your awareness on this, noticing its qualities, its volume, its pitch, just noticing. Again, at some stage, your mind will become distracted, just as our minds do. This is completely normal and nothing to blame ourselves for. So when you notice that your mind has wandered, you gently bring your awareness back to the sounds you can hear. See if you can notice if your mind begins to form judgments, perhaps about the exercise or how you're doing, perhaps even about the sounds themselves as things that are liked or disliked. Simply noticing these distractions and gently bringing your mind back to rest your awareness on the sounds you can hear around you, continuing to pay attention to the sounds as you sit for the last 30 seconds or so of this exercise. And now allowing your attention to return to your body posture, allowing your focus to shift to the sensation of sitting here in this moment. And now moving your awareness more fully back to the room, to here and now. And when you're ready, opening your eyes and perhaps having a gentle stretch as you sit in the chair and noticing the sensations as you gently move, so that when you feel ready, you can end this exercise and move your mind on to whatever comes next.